Hey guys, Jacob Howard here, and today I have a very exciting announcement. We have officially launched our DJI FPV Drone Unlocked online course. So this course is going to teach you everything you need to know about getting into the DJI FPV Drone. So I have our course pulled up here so you guys can kind of see like what are some of the things we do and teach. Here we have course introduction, we have a private Facebook group, then going into the modules, we have an intro and what you should buy, specs of the DJI FPV Drone, FPV laws, safety, and my honest review of the DJI FPV Drone. As many of you know watching some of the videos on this channel, I'm not a gigantic fan of the drone, so then I decided to make this course to actually help people get started in it so that they don't make some of the same mistakes that lots of people are making when they're first starting out with this drone, because they think it's like any other DJI drone and it's going to take care of itself and you don't have to worry about anything, and they're crashing it and breaking it and having lots of issues with it. So we made this course so that we can help you guys get through that, and I believe as we go through that, DJI will be making a lot of adjustments to this drone, hopefully, that will make it way better. So, but what we are doing here is we are trying to help you get through your journey with the DJI FPV drone with as few crashes and as few headaches as possible. We also have module 2, drone setup, all the different information you need on getting the drone set up. We also have module 3, flying the drone, where we take off and we do a bunch of different stuff there, and we show you guys how to fly, go on your first flights, how to enable acro mode or manual mode, tuning the rates, stuff like that. We also have module 4 for cinematic footage, talking about camera settings, enabling the settings you need to get good footage, what color profile to use, and what I'm working on today, which will be added right down here, is color grading your footage. This is where I take my years of experience doing video work and color grading and showing you guys how to make really, really stunning shots with your drone footage. So I highly, highly recommend getting this course if you have the DJI FPV drone or if you plan on getting it. This is hours of content, tons of videos, and we are uploading more all the time. You guys definitely don't want to miss out on this. I have a link down below for a special offer that will expire soon. So if you're watching this video in the future, it may not still be going, but we're still going to have it at a very competitive price, considering also we're the only one out there who has a course like this at this time. So if you guys have any questions about this, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys are interested, definitely click buy it. We're on a huge discount right now because we're doing the early bird launch of this thing. And if you have any questions about it, definitely let me know, and have fun flying.